I'm Melvin here. I'm actually representing of Adiction dry food from Singapore. So this is actually a New Zealand brand which the HQ is located in Singapore. And currently I'm invited by Abco to join this Kucing Expo exhibition. Abco is our distributor for many years for the Malaysian market, and I'm proud to say that over the years, all the exhibition that I attend, we find that the Kucing Expo is one of the greatest experience. It contains most of the reputed brands and with the target audience. This is the highest footfall that I can see in the show. Despite that of the crowd over here and the accessibility, but I can say that the interest group that comes to this show really makes a big difference. So, if I were to say that we are join Kucing Expo again, yes, definitely, because it give us our brand the greatest exposure, the greatest activity, and also it give us the best exposure. So, one more time to say that about Kucing show is that I wish that partners or even other brands that would like to try to exhibit their products, you can think about Kucing Expo. Thank you very much.